Hello friends, this is Momita and you are watching Moki Life with Smile. So in this video, I will share with you the story how I improved my English. Actually, I am not an English speaker. My native language is Bengali, so I am a Bengali speaker. So how I improved my English, I will tell you in this video. So that you can motivate or you can also start learning English like me. And when I had started learning English, I was not able to speak a single word, but after practicing, now I can speak, I can communicate with people through English. I have started learning English 5 years back, 2019. At that time I was not able to speak a single word, but I was very much passionate about English. Why? I thought at that time, I was thinking that I have to learn English, I have to speak English. Many people are speaking English, and English is a global language, so I also have to speak English. But how I can speak English like others, and people are cracking exams, they are speaking in English, how they are speaking? So at that time, I had opened YouTube, and I had started watching English videos, English cartoons, but I was not able to understand what they are saying, because I was following some foreign people, and their accent are totally different. So that's the reason I was not able to understand what they are speaking. And after that, I got to know some application. After watching couple of videos, I got to know some couple of application, so I have downloaded, because I was keen to learn English. I was thinking I have to speak English at any cost. So I had downloaded some English application, and I had started speaking English with my co-learners. But like, I found some people, they discouraged me because they are good at English and I was not able to speak a single word. So I used to join group calls. There was a application, there is a plenty of applications, so I found one application that was very useful, that application. So I joined, first time I joined a call with a guy. So he was asking me about myself, and I was not able to speak how to speak, and that person was native Hindi speaker. So that person was asking me, how are you, tell me about yourself. So I was thinking how to express myself, because he was a native Hindi speakers, and I am a native Bengali speaker. So if I speak Bengali, that person will not understand. So how to communicate? So I cut the call. At that time, I can remember I cut the call because I was afraid. I was not able to speak a single word, and like, I was getting nervous to speak. And after I cut the call, and then I again joined. 2 days later, I again joined a call. I talked with a girl. She was very nice, and she was telling me that don't be afraid, speak up, speak up. She encouraged me a lot, and I started like speaking a small word and small sentences. So after practicing with her for a couple of months, I realized that now I can speak. So after that, this is my 5 years running, I'm speaking in English. So like that, I can speak with no fear. So like, why I am telling this story with, why I am sharing this story with you. Like, whoever like wants to speak English, like, they can motivate and they can start learning English. Like, I found one guy, he always saying that I can't understand your English, what you are saying. So I want to say that don't be afraid, or don't be nervous while speaking. Whatever things are coming to your mind, just speak up. Just speak up. I got to know, like I got some like teachers, mentors in some application. They motivates me and they guided me. So because of them, like they shared with me some vocabularies, so I have learned also vocabularies from them. So after that, I practicing, and after practicing, I used to practice in front of mirror, because I don't have anyone with whom I can practice at home. I don't have any friend circle who can speak English or who can practice with me. So I had downloaded some English application. I have already said that, and apart from that, I used to practice in front of the mirror. So my English learning journey was going on, and like after practicing with several people, I have gained many experience. Like many people discouraged me, demotivated me, but one thing was going in my mind, that don't give up. People were discouraged me, people were demotivated me, but still I did not give up, and I was continued with my English journey. So 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 now, because of that practice, because of that effort, now I can speak English, I can communicate through English. I'm following my own accent. I am not following any accent, but I will work on that. I want to follow like British accent, but now I am focusing on my English. I have to improve a lot. I want to learn vocabularies, because vocabulary is kind of ornament of English. If you use vocabulary or new English words in your conversation, or if you use like phrasal verbs, idioms, those are very like informative or attractive way to express your thoughts. If you use them in your English, then others will think that your English is very good, you are speaking very nicely. So I have to work on that. I have learned many things in my English learning journey, but still I have to learn many more things, because there is no any there is no any limit to learn anything. So this was my English learning journey I have shared with you, so that you can motivate and you can also learn English, because English is a global language. If you learn English, you can communicate through English. Like if you go out of your city, if you go another place or another country, so there you can communicate through English. Like sometimes we travel for our treatment purpose, for our study purpose, and whoever student, they must know English, because if they want to if they want to crack the interviews, they must have to know English. So English is, because English is a global language. So I hope you will also learn English. You will also start speaking English like me, and definitely you will speak one day like me. So this was all for today's video. See you in the next video with another new topic. So till then, bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.